it's Misty here. I'm a design team member for Stamp Anything, and in today's video we have day one of the previews for the November 2022 release. If you're new around these parts, hi and welcome. Every month Stamp Anything releases a new theme and characters, dies, a stencil to go along with. So we do previews every month, and I share with you not only what the product is, but also some samples from our fabulous design team. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I also post every Friday, that's not a release week, an episode of Fanny Friday, and that's where I either use the newest release or a box, a current grab and go box to create with you guys. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the first chibi along with the stencil, the builder die, and the word die. So let's head over to my craft table and I'll introduce you to November's theme. You can probably guess by the stencil what this month's theme is. So let's start with our stencil. So every release comes with a stencil, a word die, a builder die, and 3 chibis. So our stencil is coffee lovers, and you get little coffee cups or tea mugs if you're not a coffee drinker, hot chocolate, etc. And then you get little hearts, and it's so much fun. And again, it could be coffee, it could be hot chocolate, it could be a tea mug. It doesn't necessarily have to be for coffee, just whatever your hot beverage of choice is. Super cute. Now the word die is coffee. So we have coffee with 2 little hearts. Then you have the outline die that goes with it. And then you get a little heart. That's so you could pop those up and make those 3D. So much fun. So the builder die this month is a coffee bar. And once again, the design team has knocked this out of the park. If you want to see more, be sure to join the Facebook group. It is linked in the description box down below. You will see so many beautiful samples, not only from the design team, but from our amazing members who are fantastic crafters. So be sure to check that out. And then last but not least, our day one chibi is Darius. And Darius is looking cool with his coffee. And it says, where is it? The daily grind can get exhausting. And that is the truth, right? And per usual, he has an outline die. So again, let me show you. We've got coffee lovers stencil. We've got the coffee word die. We have the coffee bar builder die, and we have Darius for day one. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your post notifications. I'll be back tomorrow to reveal day 2. Bye for now.